Hey guys, I'm Yara this year, and I'm here to make sure we have a lot of fun. Nice clean fun. Yeah. And we're gonna become a big family, work together, and what else? Oh, there might be a couple, one or two fire drills, you know, just every couple. And I think if we don't have any questions, I'm gonna peace out. Yeah, party time!
What? Not again. Seriously? And then, you wouldn't even believe it. He did... What?
I'm so tired of waiting. I'm gonna go get a quadruple extra hot caramel cappuccino. You wanna come with?
Nope. I'm going to Target.